Hello, I am Kuldeep Pawar, working as Assistant Professor in All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology in Departments of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Today, I am going to discuss about the another pulse modulation techniques, that is pulse position modulation technique. Before we are going to start, we discuss about some definition like modulation. Modulation can be defined as the process of varying a parameter of carrier signal in accordance with the instantaneous value of message signal. Modulation is used to reduce the size of the antenna and it increases the efficiency. There are three types of the modulation signal. In previous video, we discussed about the pulse amplitude modulation techniques. Then next one is the PWM and PWM, that is pulse width modulation. So in pulse width modulation, amplitude of the pulse is constant while position or width of the pulses is made proportional to the amplitude of the signal at the sampling instant. So it can be a PWM or PPM, that is pulse width modulated signal or pulse position modulated signal. In both the cases, amplitude remains constant and does not carry the information, so amplitude limiters can be used, providing the good noise immunity. The block diagram of pulse width modulation consists of two signals, that is input signal, second one is the sawtooth waveform. Both the waveforms are applied to the comparator in which compares the amplitude of the both the signals, and the output of comparator is treated as the pulse width modulated signal. So the generation of pulse width modulation techniques are easy. So see the waveform. In this waveform, the first waveform is sawtooth waveform, which is applied to the one input of the comparator, and the second one is the sine wave input, which is applied to the another input of comparator. In the comparator block, both the signals is compared with respect to its amplitude. See that waveform. The third waveform is the PWM output, that is pulse width modulated output. Comparator gives the output high when comparator gives the output high at the falling edge of sawtooth signal, and comparator gives output low as the rising edge of sawtooth signal. So as the amplitude of modulating signal gets increased, the width of the pulse gets changed. As the modulating signal starts down to the negative side, then the width of the pulse gets decreased. But the amplitude of pulse width modulated signal remains constant. So that is the PWM generation of PWM. So advantages and disadvantages of pulse width modulated system. The advantages are, unlike pulse amplitude modulation system, noise is less and the signal and noise separation is easy in the PWM. Disadvantages of PWM is variable power content and large bandwidth is required than the PAM.